Okay, so in this video we will learn whenever we are writing any prompt, we will tell ChatGPT that use different perspective. Different perspectives. Suppose you are a large language model, you are a advanced language model. It's okay, but whenever you are writing something, you think that you are a patient, or you are a student. So or you are a teacher, or you are a professor, or you are a coder, or you are a marketer. So accordingly you provide me that solution. Okay, so I understand that you are a large language model, you are a robot, we can understand. You are a chatbot, we can understand. But whenever you are providing response, that time you keep in mind that you are a student. So as a student, how you will react it? As a teacher, how you will react it? As a professor, how you will react it? As a coder, how you will react it? As a marketing expert, how you can react it? So those things. So we will tell ChatGPT that they use different perspectives. We will mention it. So see, here is the example. Examples are discuss AI in healthcare. So it's okay. So it's a very generic question we are asking. Use discuss AI in the healthcare industry. You can replace your industry. You can replace your content. Okay. This is very ordinary question you are asking to ChatGPT. Instead of that, what you can ask? Discuss the impact of AI in healthcare. It is also pretty good that discuss the impact of AI in healthcare from the perspectives of a patient, of a doctor, of a insurance company. So here I have mentioned only three, but what you can do is each one by one you can do. You can think now from the perspective of patients only, from the perspective of doctors only, from the perspective of insurance companies only. So here I have mentioned three, but in your case what you can do, you can create only one also. It's perfectly fine. So I am telling ChatGPT, you are providing the answer, you are telling me the impact of artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry. That is also perfect, but the answer should be in the perspective of a patient. How a patient is thinking, how a patient is thinking, how a patient think about the think that you are a patient, and how you will reacting it, how you will be reacting it. Okay, so we are telling ChatGPT that thing. So again, the example number 2 is explain the remote work. We are telling ChatGPT a generic question that explain remote work. So instead of that, what we can do, we can ask ChatGPT explain the advantages and challenges of remote work from the perspective of employees and employers. Again, here I have mentioned two, employees and employers. So you think that you are an employee and employers, both you are. So accordingly you provide me the solution. Explain the advantages and challenges of remote work. So now it's pretty clear. Again, the example number 3 is write about urbanization. So again, it's a very generic question you are asking to ChatGPT. Instead of that, what you can ask, discuss the effects of urbanization from the perspective of city planners, residents and environmentalists. Okay, so here you are providing also, I am also providing 3 points, but in your case what you can do, you can think that from the perspective of city planners only, from the perspective of residents only. So that you can do. So you are telling basically you are telling ChatGPT that you are a resident, you are a city planners. Okay, so accordingly you provide me the suggestion. Okay, so it is very powerful tool. It is very you use a different perspective. It's a very powerful tool. You can get a more accurate, more perfect answer from ChatGPT or any other AI platform. Okay, so let's us practice. Discuss AI in healthcare industry. Okay, So I am hoping that you people are practicing, you people are creating your own example and you are practicing. So without that you can't get the best result out of it. So of course you need to practice, you need to create your own example based on your topic. Your The more you will practice, the more better answer you will get. So discuss AI in healthcare. So it will provide me a generic answer, it will provide me a detailed answer. So diagnosis and treatment planning, personalized medicine, predictive analytics, robotic surgery, virtual health assistance, drug discovery, administrative task, telemedicine, mental health, wearable technology, ethical and privacy consideration, future prospects, and all these things. So it has given me a quite detailed and informative ideas about artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry. So in your case it might be different, it might be any other industry like marketing industry, it might be wealth industry. Okay, topic also can be different. Instead of artificial intelligence, it might be digital marketing, it might be programming language, anything. Okay, so now it has given me a generic language. So now what I will do, I will take this. So now ChatGPT, I'm saying ChatGPT to think from the perspective of a patient. Okay, so now see, patients, doctors, and insurance company. So it will provide all the things. As a patient, how you are reacting, benefits, improved diagnosis and treatment, personalized care, convenience and accessibility. Okay, then what kind of challenges you may face, privacy and security concern, then digital divide. Okay, from the doctor's perspective, what is the benefit? Benefits are enhanced decision making, reduced administrative burden, continuing medical, what it is, continuing medical education, improved patient monitoring. What kind of challenge doctor may face? That is integrations and training, reliability and accountability. From the perspective of insurance companies, benefits, cost reduction, risk assessment, personalized plans, preventive care. What kind of challenges it may faces? Data privacy and compliance, bias and fairness. Now the summary is, AI's impact on healthcare from the perspective of patient, doctor, and insurance companies is multifaceted, offering numerous benefits while also presenting significant challenges. Okay, so now I think you have you can see the result, what kind of quality it has provided. So I wanted to know, my industry was healthcare, I wanted to know about artificial intelligence and the perspective of a patient, perspective of a doctors, perspective of a insurance companies. So it has segregated everything from a patient perspective, from a doctor's perspective, from a insurance company perspective. It has provided all the required details. So now you can see that what kind of quality it has provided. Okay, the quality of the output. Okay, so you need to use different perspective. So again we need to let explain the remote work we have explained. Okay, let me take this example. This is very powerful keyword you need to use to get more accurate, more perfect answer. So again I am asking, write about urbanization. So it will provide me a broad answer, it will provide me a detailed informative answer. For knowledge purpose it is okay, for idea purpose it is okay, but if you want to get any actual response, we need to modify our prompt. Okay, so definition and trends, historical context, current state, impacts of urbanization, economic impact, economic growth, innovation and productivity, social impact, improved living standard, cultural exchange, challenges, okay, environmental impact, future prospects, all the possible response it has given. Okay, conclusion, global collaboration, inclusive urbanization. Okay, so all the details for information purpose, for idea purpose, it is okay, but we need some specific response. So we are asking ChatGPT that discuss it, but keep in mind that the perspective of city planners, perspective of residents, perspective of environmentalists. Okay, so now in your case you can keep only one also, only the city planner, only the residents, only doctors, only patient. Okay, you can keep. So now see, it will divide everything. See, as a city planner, what is the benefits? It has mentioned as a city planner perspective, what are the benefits? Benefits: 1, economic development; 2, efficient resource allocation; improved infrastructure. What kind of challenges it may face being a city planner? It's infrastructure strain, affordable housing, that is the challenges you may face. Social inequality. Okay, so these kind of challenges you may face. As a resident, what kind of challenges, what are the benefits you can get? This is the benefit: access to service, employment opportunities, cultural and social amenities, all the things. What kind of challenges you may face as a residents? This is the challenges. And environmentalists, what are the benefits you can get, what are the challenges you may face? So these are the things, it is segregated. Now the summary has been given. So now I think it's pretty clear to you how to use the how powerful it is, how powerful the keyword is. Perspective of anything, perspective of doctor, perspective of patient, perspective of marketing, perspective of program coder, perspective of teacher, perspective of any scientist, perspective of data analytics. So how powerful it is. This is a very powerful keyword. You can use it for your response, and I'm sure you will get best quality response. Okay, so now I think it's pretty clear to you how to use this keyword. Do use it, because this is very powerful keyword. Create your own example based on your industry, based on your subject, and practice it until you get your best prompt, best response. Okay, or keep modifying it whenever you are getting, keep modifying it until you get your best response. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.